guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Techno Savvy Girls, and today I'll tell you how to download the app Scratch. And before we download the Scratch app, now we'll have to download the app Adobe Air. So guys, let's start. And guys, just a second guys. Yes. Now guys, what is a Scratch? A Scratch is a programming in which you can make games or apps, whatever you want to make. Now guys, you have to open Chrome, and then you'll have to write in the search box www.scratch, okay guys, scratch.mit.edu. Now you have to press search, or you can press enter. Then guys, in some of your PCs or computers, it can straight open the official site, or it will open like this, as you can see in the screen. So now if it opens like this, you have to press it, okay. And if it is opened like this only, straightly it opens like this, then nothing to worry, okay guys. And then what you have to do is you have to go over here again. Now guys, you have to give a slash and then write scratch underscore and then 1.4. guys, please do not write this at the first time, write it in the second time, how I am doing, okay guys. Please do not write it in the first time. Now you have to press enter, and then you have to see this will open on the screen, and then you have to scroll down, okay. You don't have to press download over here. You have to scroll down, and you can see there are 3 options over here. You can choose one of them, okay, whatever you are having. I'm having Windows, so I'll press this one, okay. And guys, this can also be compatible for Windows 10, because this PC what I am using is Windows 10, okay guys. So now I'll press its Scratch installer over here, and then it will start installing, as you can see in the screen. It will not take much time. It will finish in 1 minute or less than 1 minute. I'll not cut this video, so let it get downloaded and installed. So as you can see, it has been downloaded and installed. Now guys, what you have to do is you have to go to another tab. As I told you that you will have to download one more app, that is Adobe Air. Now you have to write here www.get.adobe.com, and then you have to put a slash, and then you have to write air and again slash, and then you have to press enter. Now guys, in some cases, after you have written this link, the official site of this will open, and then you have to do it back, because we will not open this, because these days this Adobe Air is asking money, and there are some who don't want to give money. So what you have to do is you have to scroll down, and then guys, you will have to press this Adobe Air download, okay guys. No guys, please go back, I opened the wrong one. You have to go over here. I'm so sorry for opening the wrong one. As you can see, this is the screen, and you have to press it over here. So it is of Windows, so I'm gonna press it, and then it will not start downloading. You have to press it once again. So you have to press over here for PC, if you download for PC. So it will start downloading, as you can see over here, and over here it will also come. So over here downloading, if the download doesn't start automatically, click here. So as you can see, it has been downloaded. Now guys, you have to go back, and then you have to you guys have to go to this PC, or whatever you are having on your PC. So I'm gonna press this PC, and then I'll press open. Then guys, you will you to go over here downloads, and then just a second guys, and then you can see that there is Adobe Air and the Scratch installer. So you have to press this Adobe Air, and then you will have to click run as administrator. Okay guys, then you have to go back, or see this will open, and then you have to press yes. Okay guys, so this will open. One second guys, this will open in front of you. It is taking time. Yes guys, now you have to it has been opened. Now guys, you will have to press I agree, and then it will start installing. So it has been installed and it has been finished also. You can press finish, and then guys now guys, you will again have to go back, and then you have to press this Scratch installer, and then you have to again press run as administrator. And guys, one more thing I want to tell you, that if you will not download this Adobe Air, then this Scratch 1.4 will also not get downloaded, I mean installed. So now guys, you have to press yes. As you know, you have to give every permission, and then you can see that guys, welcome to Scratch 1.4 setup wizard. You have to press next, and you can place it anywhere you want to. Now I want to keep it over here only, or you can keep it anywhere you want to. So I want to keep it over here only. Okay guys, and then you have to press OK with wherever you want to keep it. After pressing that place, you have to press OK, and then you will press next, and you will have to press install. You don't have to do anything over here. So it is getting installed, and it will soon get installed also. So over here, as you can see, everything is getting installed, means every GIF, every picture in which Scratch means in Scratch is there. Then it has completed, and over here also it will show that it is completed. Now you have to press next, and then you have to you can see over here, you can press start Scratch, or make a shortcut to Scratch on desktop. If you want to start the Scratch, then you can press, and if you don't want to Scratch, then you will press it once, and then the tick mark will disappear. And if you want to make a shortcut to a desktop, then you can you can keep it remain like this, and if you don't want, then you can press it like this. I want it, so I will press this, and I'll press finish. Now go back, and then you can see over here that Scratch is over here. Now let us open it, and let me show you. So this is guys Scratch 1.4, and you can do anything you want to. So guys, thank you for seeing our today's video. We will meet you in the next video. Till that, bye bye. And guys, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Okay guys, bye bye.